Can women really have it all?
Yes, definitely. Women can have it all.
Can women have it all? Can women have it all?
Define it. Can women have it all? I mean, I had breakfast.
Hi, I'm Margot Stern, CEO and co-founder of StellarNova.
Hi, I'm Dr. Yael Schuster, and I am a co-founder of StellarNova. I've never worked on an all-female team before this. Most of my teams were predominantly male, and working with all women is really cool. We understand each other, and everyone really looks out for everyone else's needs.
I never would have dreamed that I would be leading an all-female team. It wasn't on purpose. It's still not on purpose. I keep trying to hire men.
When I started working on an all-female team, it was really odd for me. I had always worked with men, for men, was hired by a man, and my first thought was, will there be a gap in our achievements because we're missing the male part of our team? But I've seen that it is a strong team, that with all women we succeed and we grow and we strive and we understand each other.
So far has actually been amazing. Really. I'm not just saying that for the camera.
My inspiration many times was my mother and my grandmother. I come from a family of strong matriarchs. And depending on what I was doing and where, it was a different person also along the way.
I'm inspired by Mrs. Frizzle and my Aunt Julie, who's a carpenter.
My inspiration, I would have to say, is my mom, because she's the strongest person I know.
Dolly Levi. You know Barbara Streisand and Hello Dolly? She runs through the town and fixes everyone's lives.
I am motivated to succeed by this inner burning desire to win. It sounds bad like that, but I was brought up saying, Margot, reach your potential. You can reach your potential. You haven't reached your potential, and I'm gonna reach my potential. I still don't know what it is, but I'm gonna do it.
I'm motivated by needing to pay the rent at the end of the month and hoping to inspire lots of kids all over the world.
I actually had a number of dream jobs as a kid, but the one that's most relevant and influential in my life was that I always wanted to be an astronaut.
I sort of wanted to be a combination between a ER doc and a carpenter.
I always dreamed about being a mother. It was something I wanted to do, and I never thought twice about it.
I was going to be a theoretical astrophysicist. Didn't turn out that way. I think I didn't want to work, actually. Scratch all that.
So as a child growing up in Virginia, we didn't have TV. We played outside all the time, building things, shooting rockets with my dad. My mom would make us look at everything we found under a microscope and look up words we didn't know in the dictionary, and I think it taught me to really think for myself and explore new answers.
The women who come to talk to me, ask for advice, ask for support, or have told me that they feel inspired by things I do, are the ones that impact me, because it helps me to feel stronger and to understand that I'm on the right path and I'm doing the right thing.
So I wouldn't have thought about it, but the impact that my work has on other women is motivating. It hasn't been intentional, but I've been in so many spaces where I'm the frontline woman, and they've been asking me to be the token woman or at the table and doing things, and I see that it's making a difference, and I see that it's starting to change. People that I'm in the rooms with, people are coming to me and thanking me, people are asking me to represent this, that, and the other. So it has to be making some sort of impact.